A new immersive installation that's been traveling around the globe called moonGARDEN has just arrived in Toronto. Created by Montreal design firm Lucion, the Toronto installation consists of 5 glowing orbs located at the Richmond Adelaide Centre Terrace. The installation's shadow theaters are said to project an evanescent, dreamlike vision.
We were commissioned by Oxford Properties to really create a place, an immersive installation as staff slowly start coming back. So moonGARDEN is all about storytelling through shadows. So it's sort of presenting this like dreamlike space. They're characters that are reminiscent of our childhood from storybooks. You have this beautiful, relaxing music, so someone can really just wander through and take it all in terms of this dreamlike state, if you will. So it's essentially really just to, in these stressful times, to relax you, and you can be sort of thoughtful as you slowly take in the immersive piece. The whole piece is on a rotation, so you will sort of go through where you see this rotating group of characters, and then there'll be times where it's just the spheres are all lit up in different colors. So it's really meant to, engage the audience in different ways, and as the characters rotate, you can really just stare, and each time you'll start to pick up different pieces, whether it's the children on the bicycle or, various characters. You're gonna pick up something new every time you look at it. This is really about an immersive installation, so it is changing. So the colors, I think it's so peaceful and it's just really relaxing. And as I said, in this stressful time, as it's been for everyone for the last 2 years, it really creates a dreamlike quality where one can just wander through, take in these beautiful visuals with the lovely music in the background. Been all over the world, so everywhere from Brussels, Beijing, Mexico City, France, but this is the first time it's in Ontario.
moonGARDEN is only in Toronto for a limited time, and who knows where it will end up next. For Narcity, I'm Lance McMillan. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to our Narcity channel to see more great content.